Welcome back to Chemistry Revision by Making Solutions. My name is Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at how to do titrations. Before we start this experiment, we are going to need to wash our equipment. This is standard practice when doing a titration, and we're going to use deionized water, often referred to as distilled water. Here we can see on the pipette that there is a 25 milliliter mark. It's quite faint, but it's a very accurate measurement. We're going to fill the pipette with some sodium hydroxide solution and transfer this over to our conical flask for a little bit later on. We can see that there is some left over. It's supposed to be there, so leave it. We can see that the burette is slightly too high for us to be able to pour our hydrochloric acid safely. So if we lower it down onto a stool, we can pour the acid safely below eye level. We must remember to take the funnel out because it can skew our results, and then we can get on with the practical. Let's add some phenolphthalein indicator to turn our alkali a purple colour, and we can start to drip the acid through. We can do it quite fast to start with, but as we get closer and closer to a colour change, we're going to slow our drops down. We can start to see that the colour has nearly disappeared to leave a clear solution behind. The idea behind the titration is that once that colour has completely gone, we have a completely neutral solution. I wasn't that happy here that the purple colour had completely disappeared, so I added a couple more drops of acid to make sure. Using a white tile, we can get an accurate view of what the final reading of our titration is. We can use that volume to work out the concentration of the acid based on the volume and the concentration of the alkali that we used. If you would like to know how to do these concentration calculations, then please head over to our website at www.revisedchemistry.co.uk.